It's 100 years for Seat. 100 years of road trips that Seat has traveled with us. From the latest bikes to the latest cars. So we figured what better way to celebrate than to actually do an epic road trip across time and space. From India to Italy, where it all began. Let's go.
Bye. Let's go.
एक मिनट क्या मस्त व्यू था पता है?
I know.
नंबर मजा आ गया।
We are at French Alps, that's in France, and this is my first time. I'm a bit nervous, excited, पूरा mixed emotions actually.
मैं ट्रैवल करता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे नए एक्सपीरियंसेस मिलते हैं, भले वो अच्छे हो या बुरे हो। आई जस्ट वॉन्ट टू लीव लाइफ फुल ऑफ एक्सपीरियंसेस।
It's not how the road is, you know, but how one feels safe inside traveling those roads. And that is what the tire comes in. Like it plays a very important role.
Basically, curiosity means like it sparks that sense of adventure to sort of like chase the unknown. You know, it's like an endless loop. So, I feel like really drawn towards it.
All the time the journey has been so incredible. I know whenever I'm driving there, I'm just like, I don't want this road to end because the views are non-stop and incredible, and I'm just like, this is crazy.
Valley sort of narrows. You see like these lanes going in and out of tunnels, and it's one hell of an experience. So that traction is what I could feel, you know, every single turn, because I knew, you know, like these tires are like on point, and I don't need to sort of like have a second thought. So I had a blast like driving here.
If your tires aren't doing a great job for you, you feel it as soon as you sit in the car. That, okay, you know what? I can trust this car. I can trust the tires.
I had never expected France to be like this way. We were driving through the mountains, like through buttery smooth roads. So it was exceptional for me, and we got the perfect climate. Like the perfect start of summer, that is what we got. Curiosity has taken us places because we did plan our trip, but the things that we did not plan and were curious about, we ended up enjoying those more. So I feel as a traveler, curiosity has taken me to a lot of places that I really cherish.
The open road for me is all about endless exploration, like an adventure without limits, and a great chance to escape your everyday routine.
Traveling gives you a lot of experiences. It unites also with a lot of people because there is so much in this world, and travel really unites all of us together.
I believe in documenting time. और टाइम में आ गया सब कुछ, like environment, people, nature, all everything. That is actually you know, good thing about time. It changed.
I need to see more places. I feel like travel has taught me so much more than what books ever could. It's an emotion. The sun is coming up. I can see the ocean. Monaco is right behind me. I have taken endless road trips. I don't think 15-year-old me would even believe that this is how we end up. This is who we are now. I think that's crazy.
I want to document the time which I live in. So मुझे भी बताना है मेरे ऑडियंस को और मेरे फ्यूचर को, आगे लोगों को कि यार हमने हमारे टाइम में ये किया है.
You don't know what's after that turn, but you need to trust it. You need to stay with it. You need to be consistent. You need to put in the same amount of effort. And you need to keep driving. And also in life, you need to keep going.